All right, guys, welcome. We've been asked the question, the factors of 6x minus 5 minus x squared are dash. This question is actually from JAMB 1982. Now, we'll dive quickly into our the question we've been given by writing solution. Next, we copy out our expression 6s minus 5 minus s squared. Now, we take note of the fact that our value for a in this expression, a is equal to minus 1. Our value for b is equal to plus 6. And our value for c is equal to minus 5. Now we proceed to look for the value of AC. Reason being that our value for A is not 1. Therefore, AC is equal to minus 1 times bracket open minus 5 bracket close is equal to minus 1 times minus 5 ends up giving us a 5. And the factor of plus 5 that gives us 6 are plus 1 and plus 5. 6 here by 6, I mean our value for B. Therefore, having this at the back of our mind, we write down our expression again. We have 6x minus 5 minus s squared is equal to 5s minus 5 minus s squared plus s. We choose to spread out our factors in order to make our work much easier for us. Now, proceed further to factorize out minus 5, write down equal to. We factorize out minus 5 from 5x and minus 5. We end up having minus 5 bracket close minus x plus 1. Now we're left with minus x squared plus x. Now we factorize out plus x from this, and this gives us minus x plus 1 bracket close. Hence, our expression becomes minus x plus 1 bracket close bracket open minus 5 plus s. However, we can't just leave our expression like this. We move further to arrange it in the order that we find in the question, that's if you are with the question paper. Therefore, our final answer to this expression is 1 minus s bracket close bracket s minus 5 bracket close. Thank you.